New to WEEX? You don't need to be a tech expert, you just need a simple checklist and a few careful minutes. In this WEEX Sign Up tutorial, I'll show you exactly how to create your account, complete KYC step-by-step, turn on strong security, and get ready to claim your welcome bonuses. To land on the exact registration page I'm using, tap the link in the description. When you register, enter the referral code SPONUS. If it isn't autofilled, type SPONUS yourself before you continue. This video is educational, not financial advice. Crypto is risky, only invest what you can afford to lose and always do your own research. Here's what you'll learn in minutes. WEEX Sign Up, WEEX KYC, two-factor authentication, anti-phishing code, funding options, and where to check your welcome rewards. Before we start, prepare your ID or passport, make sure you're in a bright room for a clear selfie, and have a stable internet connection. Double-check that your account name matches your document exactly. Let's create your WEEX account now. Open the link in the description and tap Sign Up or Register. Choose email or mobile. Enter your details and create a strong, unique password you haven't used anywhere else. When you see the field for invite or referral code, type SPONUS. This helps you qualify for new user perks tied to the current campaign. If it's already filled in, perfect, leave it. Check your inbox or SMS for the verification code and confirm your account. If the code doesn't arrive, wait a moment, check spam or junk, then request a new one. Great account created. Now let's secure it immediately. Go to Security and enable two-factor authentication with an authenticator app. It's more resilient than SMS. Save your backup codes and store them safely offline. Set an anti-phishing code, a short phrase that will appear in official WEEX emails so you can spot fakes instantly. If an email or DM ever asks for your password or seed phrase, it's a scam. Now we'll finish KYC so you unlock higher limits and full features. Open Identity Verification or KYC, select your country, then choose your document type: ID card, driver's license, or passport. Upload clear photos of the front and back. Keep the image bright, remove glare, and make sure all corners are visible. Don't use filters or crop the edges. When asked for a selfie or liveness check, center your face, remove hats or glasses, and follow the on-screen prompts slowly. Submit and wait for review. It's often quick, but times can vary. If you're rejected, read the reason carefully. Most issues are simple fixes like retaking a sharper photo or correcting a mismatch. When KYC is approved, you'll see a confirmation inside your account. Nice work, your WEEX profile is now verified and secured. Great, let's add funds so you can get moving. Open deposit. Depending on your region, you can use bank transfer, card, or deposit crypto from another wallet. Fees and speed vary. Bank transfers can be cheaper but slower. Cards are faster but may cost more. If you're nervous, start with a tiny test amount to build confidence. Depositing crypto? Match the network to the address exactly. Send BTC to a Bitcoin address, ETH to Ethereum, and so on. If a coin requires a memo or tag like XRP or XLM, include it or your funds can be delayed. Copy carefully or scan the QR and verify the first and last characters before you hit send. Now let's look at welcome rewards. Open rewards, welcome bonus, or beginner tasks inside WEEX. You'll see the current offers for new users. The headline amount depends on your region and the campaign. Some rewards are trading credits or coupons, not cash you can withdraw directly. You use credits to trade, and any profit you make may be withdrawable. Always read the task rules. Work through the tasks one by one. Verify your account, make a first deposit, try a first trade, or meet a small volume target if required. Track your progress inside the rewards page and claim each item as soon as it unlocks. Ready for a first buy? Here's the fast, safe version. Go to Trade, choose a simple pair BTC, USD, or ET. You'll see two common order types. Market and limit. A market order buys instantly at the best available price, easy, but it can slip during big moves. A limit order lets you set your exact price, more control, but it might not fill right away. For your very first purchase, place a small market order as a rehearsal. Double-check the asset, the amount, and the summary, then tap Buy. Nice, your first order is done. Let's lock in good habits. Turn on price alerts or a simple DCA schedule if that helps you avoid FOMO. If you plan to hold for a long time, consider moving part of your balance to self-custody later and make sure you understand seed phrases before you do. Now, the top mistakes to avoid. 1. Phishing. Only use bookmarked official links. If anyone asks for your password or seed phrase, it's a scam. 2. Wrong network or address. Always match chain to chain and check those first and last characters. 3. Forgetting the memo tag on certain coins. Read the deposit page carefully. 4. Weak security. Keep 2FA on, use a unique long password, and set your anti-phishing code. 5. Leverage too early. Leverage multiplies mistakes. Skip it until you have a proven plan. Quick note on regions and rules. Services and promotions can differ by country and can change over time. Always follow local laws and confirm what's supported where you live. Here's your final beginner checklist. Create your WEEX account. Enter the referral code SPONUS at sign up. Complete KYC with clear photos. Enable 2FA and your anti-phishing code. Make a small test deposit. Visit the Rewards Beginner Tasks page and complete the steps to unlock your perks. Place a tiny first order when you're ready. If this helped, please like the video so more beginners can find it, and subscribe for upcoming guides on deposits, withdrawals, wallets, and real security drills. To reach the exact registration page I showed, tap the link in the description. Make sure the referral field shows SPONUS before you continue. If it isn't there, type SPONUS manually and proceed. Trade carefully, stay curious, and I'll see you in the next lesson.